Welcome back to Southpaw Garage. It is time for another Silverado video. For those of you that saw my last video, you're probably wondering, well, since you changed the third brake light, got it looking real good, are you doing anything about the bright red tail light sitting on the back of the truck? And the answer is yes. I've actually been wanting to do this for a couple months now. I placed the order for it about a month ago, got the stuff, just hadn't had a chance to work on it yet, trying to get the Nova running and get it ready. So put a lot of weekends into the Nova and not really any into the Silverado lately, but we do have our box from Recon out today with our smoked LED tail lights. And with a little bit of movie magic, we now have them out of the box. You can see they have this smoke tint lens. We've got the red LEDs here that will be the tail lights. The sections at the top and the bottom inside the red bars are the brake lights. And then this middle section is the reverse light. Even though these do have the red in them, I think that having the darker red and having it closed in with this smoked look is going to just change the look of the truck a lot. Just kind of help everything blend in and kind of run together a little better. Give it a little more of a stealth look. So that's what I'm looking forward to. So I'm going to go up, unhook the battery, because we'll be messing with unhooking some wire harnesses and stuff. So we're going to unhook the battery and we're going to start taking the stock tail lights out of the truck. First thing we got to do is unhook the current tail light wiring harness that you see running here. It comes down and hooks up right there. It's this one here. So what I'm going to do is get this unhooked. Just should be able to just pull this red clip back, unhook this harness, and then I'm going to separate the clips that are holding it against the truck. Those right there. There's a couple of them back here, and that way I can hopefully reuse those and for the new wiring harness that comes with the new tail lights. Got the wiring harness for the driver's side unhooked and unclipped. You can see it hanging out down here under the bumper. Now we're going to remove the torque screws that hold the tail light in place, pull it out, and pull the wiring harness through. For the tail lights, you literally just kind of pull them straight back. They have some studs. See if I can get the camera on here. They have these studs that hold them in place, so you just got to pull those out. And then we've got one more wiring harness in here to unhook. Just going to pull the red pin back on it. It's just a simple pull the red tab back, and then you want to squeeze it on the side and pull it out. I had a little bit of trouble getting my hand in there to it, but that's really all you have to do if you can get your hand in there and grip it really good. So now we can just completely remove this tail light and start installing the new one. So really quick, on these old tail lights, you can see that the wires are wrapped in this plastic all the way from top to bottom. On the new ones, they use a wire wrap, but it stops about right here. So what I'm going to do is wrap this with some heat resistant wire wrap just to help protect these. I just don't want this insulation to get cut or damaged and have exposed wires. Now that I have the wires wrapped, I'm running the long wire back down through the truck, and then this wiring harness here, the other end, will go into this small clip up here that we took out, and then we'll just push the tail light in and re-bolt everything down, hook the wiring harness up. We should be good to go. I'm lining the taillight back up with the studs where they need to go. Then we just put the torque screws back in and we go back under the truck and hook up the wiring harness. Driver's side new taillight is officially installed. So the only thing we really have to do is repeat all of those steps on the passenger side, and then we will have these bright red taillights removed and a much more subtle stealth look, and what I think will be a much cleaner look overall for the Silverado. That does it for the video of the Recon smoked taillights. I hope you liked it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you're enjoying my videos and you're not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Keep an eye out for what comes next. If this is your first video, check out these others that are gonna pop up on the screen here. I've got some Nova videos as well if you're interested in classic cars. Thanks for watching. We'll see y'all in the next one.